nagustuhan sa'yo ni Princess?
Una, siyempre mabait ako eh. Basic.
A bit of give and take, and life it is what you make it. Nothing better can get to me.
Siya yung nag-first move eh. Nananahimik lang ako eh. Tapos biglang nag-chat yan. Pero feeling ko, way na lang ngayon para mapansin ko siya. So pinansin ko siya. Yun, look at now, kakasal na kami.
Hindi naman. Marami akong chinat nun. Nagkataon na siya lang yung nag-chat. Ayun, then the rest is history.
I wanna sing it out.
First requirements ni Senomar. Senomar po. Bali, naninigurado po ata si ate yung wala ako sabi.
Pa-joke lang yon yung Senomar. Sinigurado ko na single talaga siya bago ako na, ma-fall deeply in love sa kanya.
Bibigyan ko yun ng Apo 101. Parang sa movie 101 Dalmatian. Sana Bruyula lang nakayanan ng aking milyones.
Tsara na rin, no?
Shine away. I got this one choice
At siyempre, magaling ako sumayaw.
in that place. Gonna blow it on my mind and shine away. Gonna live for the moment. Live for the
Na-share ko lang po sa inyo yung ugali ni Princess na pinaka nagustuhan ko is pagiging unique, simple, at yun ang pinagmamalagi kong pinaka nagustuhan kong ugali niya.
Siya, mabait, consistent. Lagi siyang consistent sa, kahit na matagal na kami na in a relationship, consistent pa rin yung mga ginagawa niya sa akin. Lagi niya akong hatid sa bahay, spoiled niya ako sa food, kung anong gusto ko, and mapagmahal siya na anak, na kaibigan, na apo, na pinsan, na ka-coworker, and as boyfriend, as fiancé.
My dear Princess, your kindness, your beauty, inside and out, loyalty have captivated me entirely. So I here before our friends and family, sa harap ng ating Panginoon, I vow to love you unconditionally. Ang pag-ibig na ito ang magiging sanktuaryo natin, isang lugar na palagi nating babalikan anuman itapon sa atin ng mundo. Bago man ang panahon, maging puti na ang ating buhok, mananatiling matatag at totoo ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo.
To my parents, thank you. Stay healthy kayo. And pakatatag kayo lagi. And for my mother-in-law and dads-in-law, thank you keng support, keng gana-gana na kailangan mi. Na need mi, bibiyayo lagi. Salamat. At keng wali ko at walid na ning fiancé ko, na ning husband ko now.
Thank you sa pagtulong sa akin ma-achieve itong dream wedding ko. Walang word na makaka-describe kung paano ko kayo kamahal. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Alam niyo yan. I love you all.
Dear brothers and sisters, we are gathered to celebrate the Holy Eucharist and to witness the sacrament of marriage between Juan Paulo and Princess. As their Christian family, we remind them that they are called to a life of holiness and fidelity as husband and wife. Let us rejoice with them and ask God's blessing for them and their future children.
Would you stay the night so I
To my dearest princess, my baby, best friend, and my soon-to-be wife. Today, as I stand before you, sobrang saya ko sa blessing na binigay sa atin ngayon ng Panginoon. Hindi ko lubos maisip na sa random chat 3 years ago, nang dahil hindi ka lang marunong mag-set up ng PC, will led us here.
drawing circles on my skin? I looked up to the sky to only realize the most precious thing I wanted, it was laying right before my eyes.
To my loves, Paolo,
Made a promise.
you have shown me what true love is. I am eternally grateful for your kindness, patience, and unwavering support. I vow to be your partner in all life adventures.
You like the first time, I will always love you more than yesterday. And no matter what
I vow to grow old with you as we learn from each other to be patient, kind, and giving, and to always cherish each day together. Promise ko kaya ka, paneta mong sangga, kingega na gana, I love you so much.
Sometimes I get insecure and all up in my head, but I know that what we have, nobody will ever bend. And although we might
You are my everything as we stand together at the beginning of this journey. I am filled with immense gratitude and love. Thank you for choosing me, for seeing something in me worth loving, and for giving me the chance to spend my days loving you. Yours truly, your
I
Jamie.
will always keep you in my heart, 'cause I made a promise to hold you forever by the hand, and that I would never let go. So don't worry, here I'll stand to remind you like the first time. I will always love you more than yesterday, and no matter what, I'll be your shelter when the sky is falling, the flame to light your darkest moments. No matter the distance, I'll be there.
Says, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Juan Paulo, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
'Cause I made a promise to hold you forever by the hand, and that I would never let go. So don't worry, here I'll stand to remind you like the first time. I will always love you more than yesterday, and no matter what, I'll be your shelter when the sky is falling, the flame to light your darkest moments. No matter the distance, I'll be there.
Tandaan ninyo na oo, walang kasiguraduhan ng buhay, pero ngayon ang simbahan nagtitiwala sa inyong desisyon na sigurado kayo na kayo ay magsasama ng tapat at panghabang buhay.
And no matter what
Juan Paulo, you may now kiss your wife, Princess.